Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Yes, sir. So what's your name, man, and what's in here?
Okay, my name is Kevin, and I have 2 Scar ZVX 15s.
Okay.
With an SK 3500 and an RP 1000 with all the mids and highs.
Yep.
And another 500 for my tweeters, but they're not up here yet.
Okay.
Yeah, they're ready to be installed.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes. So did you cut out your truck?
Yeah.
To fit it in?
I cut the whole bed out.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah. Wow. So how did you seal it off to where the water doesn't leak in?
A lot of silicone.
A lot of silicone.
Lots of damn silicone.
Oh, yeah. Because I've seen a lot of people do that, and the flex breaks it or tears it.
Yeah, but see, I don't do a lot of the music that they listen to. I mainly listen to a lot of jazz.
Okay.
Contemporary. And, yeah,
yes, sir.
And like,
very nice.
Soul, yeah.
And the port?
Yeah, they're
on both sides.
Yeah.
Is
it's a prefab.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I bought it online.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Is it single or dual chamber?
Dual chamber.
Dual chamber.
Dual
okay.
chamber, yeah.
All right. I like that. That's a good quality one then.
Yeah, I did a 142. I just now. Yeah.
Okay.
For a beginner,
nice.
They said that was pretty good. But
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I would love to hear it.
Yeah.
Stock alternator?
Yeah, stock alternator.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah. So your voltage is low. Is there no battery?
Yeah. I got an XS 3500.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And I got another Optima battery for the truck.
Okay. Can I see that?
Yeah.
Sure. Why not? While we're talking about it. Yeah.
That's the Optima right there.
Okay.
Right,
did you do the big 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Nice.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching.
Nice meeting you too.
Yes, sir. Is there any way I can put the seat up for a picture?
Check it out.
There we go. Nice. Is this at 1 ohm?
I think it's at 2 ohm.
2 ohm, okay.
Yeah. Yep, and 2 ohm.
All right, man. Good bandwidth.
Yeah.
You can test it out.
Yeah. I'm just a scrub compared to these guys, man.
It's all good, man. Yeah. We all start somewhere.
Yeah.
And not everybody has the same style. Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's okay though.
Yes, sir.
It works for me.
Oh yeah, that's what matters.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Ooh. for showing me, man.
No problem. Thanks.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna be on video.
Oh yeah. So your voltage is low. Is there no battery?
Yeah. I got an XS 3500.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
and I got a another Optima battery for the truck.
Nice. Is this at 1 ohm?
I think it's at 2 ohm.
2 ohm. Okay.
Yeah. Yep. And 2 ohm.